Hi guys, today we're going to be trying something new.
So 200 grams
Of-
Rice Krispies.
Yeah, that's how you make white chocolate Rice Krispies. They're going to be delicious, I promise.
On a low heat.
Yeah.
And we'll pour that in. Excellent, good job. All over the inside of that. Spread it out as much as you can. Try to get it on yourself. It's gonna be really strange. It's gonna be rain, but anyway.
This is weird. I just feel the bit border.
One of the things you can see right there. Quite tricky.
So stiff. So you used all of the things? Marshmallows?
Yep.
Oh, that looks so good. Oh, it looks so good, but it's not bake sale in my school last year. Where's the bake sale? Let's see. Whee! That's our fridge.
Buttermilk.
Yeah, buttermilk.
And we're
Sorry.
gonna put in 350 milliliters.
This is how you make that.
We're making brown bread.
Do, 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 do. Is it Desmond pudding? Oh. I would like to also put on subtitles for this one. I don't know why. Oh, there's also like chestnut pudding in here. Oh, I'm starting to see some of the egg.
Can you take it place?
Sorry, you don't have to look at our feet then.
Yeah, I see what you're talking about. Actually, we can put oats on the top of it if we want.
New baking videos. New. Wow. Hard.